Hey students, welcome back to Deeksha Kannada YouTube channel. This is Suhas, your chemistry master teacher. Students, the voice is clearly audible and the PPT is clearly visible. Once again, I open PPT. Yes, if the PPT is clearly visible and the voice is clearly audible, then let us know in chat section, everybody. Yes, hi everyone. I know every students are going to the exam, but after exam, students, please watch this session. It is very important for your board exams, SSLC board exams, probability and statistics one shot. Okay, yes, come on, let's discuss here. Then let's start with an probability unit. In probability, we have basically 3 learning outcomes: introduction, theoretical probability, and miscellaneous problem based on it. Yes, come on. Then starting with introduction and this one. Students, what is probability? In our life or in everything, we haven't to something happen. For example, likely, unlikely. For example, what is the yesterday match? RCB versus which match? Bangalore versus KKR match. We are likely way, so maybe RCB won. If RCB won, it's unlikely way. It is RCB not won. It is unlikely way for us or for others. For others, they want RCB loss and anything is happened, right? In this, for example, what is the sin pi by 2 value 1, which always happen? We have in two cases, likely way and unlikely way. For example, in real world, take an example of coin. Then simply toss it. What happen if you toss a coin? We have in two cases when we obtain two results, right? Either head, either tail. Maybe head, maybe tail. This is called probability. Probability is nothing but it is an event. What is probability? It is an event value. It is a value of an event that tells how likely that is going to happen. How likely it is happen? It is an probability. Probability is nothing but very simple, students. How likely be happen? This is called probability. Probability is nothing but it is an event. How likely? We tell that. Oh my God, how likely? Maybe here, if you toss the coin, we only want only 8. How many times we can obtain head? Either in 2 times, 1 time maybe a head is obtained or nothing. This is called probability of an event. Okay, definition is very important. 2 marks important questions for your board exams. Then head and tail we already know. Here one simple interactivity pod question is there, my dear electrons. The question is very simple. Probability of getting head is, what is the correct answer? If we toss a coin, only single coin, when head is happened, it is happened. The answer is yes, 1 by 2, 0. Nothing. Well, at one time only, if it toss 5 times or 6 times, at exactly one time the probability is coming, the head is coming. Don't worry. In either, whenever we toss in 2 times, either one time it completely comes head and tail. Okay. Then let's see an example of even likely happen. Then rolling a die. Who guys? The students ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹಾವು ಏಣಿ ಆಟ? Who loves the snake and ladder game? Yes, I am also love the snake and ladder game. Students, snake and ladder game. In that, we already know, let us roll a die. What happened? In die, we have in totally 6 faces. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6. When at a place, here totally 6 possibilities there, then certain 1 is equal to 100%. We already know. What is probability? Probability 1 by 6, 1 of the 1 by 6. Dealing with probability is a trial or experiment or a process that a random outcome. It is an one like an experiment for a random outcome. This is called probability. Okay, students. Then spinner is there. These are the examples. Then what is the formula? Exact formula of probabilities. Probability of an event is found by using the formula the number of favorable outcomes to the number of possible outcomes. The probability is a ratio of number of favorable outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes. For example, now it's in quiz time, students. The first question in the quiz is a die is thrown once. It's nothing but the number of possible outcome is 6. Then what they ask? They ask about find the probability of getting at most 2. At least 2 is different. At most 2 is this thing. At least 2 is nothing but at least 2. The correct answer is option A, 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is nothing but 6. At most it highest only 2. Then only 2 possibility. Then 2 by 6. Then answer is 1 by 3. Next question, guys. A coin is tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies. Head 445, 545. Compute the probability of getting a head. Very easy. P of E is equal to 455 divided by 1000. If you do that, then you got the answer. What is the answer? C, 0.455. Very easy. Next question. A session and reason question, students. 3 coins are tossed. Number of elements in the sample space is 8. Totally 3 coins tossed at a time. Sample space elements 8. When a coin is tossed n times, then the number of elements in sample space 2n. For your state board, it is not there, but learn this. Both A and R are true. R is correct explanation. A and R are true. R is not correct explanation. A is true. R is false. What is the correct answer? Answer is A. Yes. Then move on to the theoretical probability of an event. In theoretical probability of an event, it's nothing but it's a theory. Okay. It is an sorry students, it's a theory. Here we have learned about experimental approach to probability. We can also learn about the probabilities were based on actual experiments, on adequate recording of the happening of events. Okay. Then theoretical probability is the theory behind a probability. Theoretical probability theory. Here we need to understand few basic terminologies. Let's start with first one, deterministic. What is the meaning of deterministic? A deterministic experiment is the subset experiments in which there is only one possible outcome. Second one, random experiment, deterministic. Only one possible outcome is called determinant, and another more than one is called random. Let us discuss the term associated with random. Example, elementary event. What is elementary event? Elementary event is nothing but it's an event which contains only single outcome. Definition is important. Then these are all not important, just leave that. Here in random experiment we have 3 cases. Occurrence of an event, favorable elementary events, negation of an event. Not A, and this one 0 and 1. Always the probability lies between 0 and 1. Finally we can write like this. This is very important. And also, for example, this one. If you add these two values, then you obtain 0 to 1. This 0 to 1 by 2, it is called impossible. It is as likely not. It is likely. This is a table of probability line. This is a final table. Then finally we can write like this one, P of A plus P of A naught. Not A is equal to 1. This formula is very important, students, especially in MCQ. They ask question based on this problem. Okay, come on, let's solve. Before solving, only solving part. If you do solving part, then yes, probability almost done, students. Yes, very easy probability. Then take 5 minutes break and solve. Try to solve this problem. I come back. Yes, students, come on, let's solve the solve matter. Come on, let's solve quickly. Three unbiased coins are tossed together. Find the probability of all heads. Come on, let's write the sample space here. Maybe three heads. Either we get three tile, two head, one tile, one head, two tile, and HTH, THT, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another two is there. TTH and triple T done, HTT aita. Yes, THH. These are the 8. All heads, only one. The samples for that 1 by 8. 2 heads. Here 1, 2, yes 3. 3 by 8. Then 1 head. Only 1 head. 1 head is present in only 2 position. 2 by 8. Then at least 2 heads. At most, not at least. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4. 5 by 8. The answer is 5 by 8. Yes. 1 by 8, 2 by 8. Yes. Next, ticket number from 1 to 20 are mixed together. Then a ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting the ticket as number which is multiple of 3 and 7? 3 and 7, both multiple. 3 or 7. 3 or 7, both are same only. 1, start with 3 is there. And 9 is there. 6 is there. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 20. The answer is 6 by 20. Yes. 2 by 5. 3, 6, 7, 9, 12, 14. Oh my god, we need to consider 7 also, students here. 3, 9, 6, 12. Okay. 7 and 14. Add these two. Then answer become 8 by 20. Yes. Then next question. The king, queen and jack of spades are removed from a deck of 52. Then totally 49 cards are there. Playing cards. Then remaining cards are shuffled. One card is selected from the remaining cards. Find the probability of getting a spade. Here any spades are removed? Yes. The king, queen and jack spades. Totally 10 by 49. Probability 10 by 49 for this one. Totally 4 king is there. 1 is already removed. Then 3 by 49. 10 by 49, 3 by 49. Super. Very easy. Now it's a quiz time, everyone. First question quiz is: a box contains 90 discs. Number from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, the probability that is B as a prime number less than 23 is. What is the correct answer? Very easy. 4 by 45. Less than 23 prime number. Totally how many prime number is there in less than 23? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number. 11, 13, 15 is also not. 17, 19, 19, 20 is not. 21. 21 is also not. 3 sevens is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Yes. 9 by 90 and 1 by, yes, 4 by 45 it's obtained. Don't worry, students. 8 by 45 it's become 8 by 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 is there. 8 by 90. Then 4 by 45 is obtained. Next question. One ticket is drawn at random from a bag containing tickets from 1 to 40. The probability of getting it is 1 by 5. Very simple. Next, come on, let's discuss miscellaneous problem. The first problem is in figure a disc which a player spins an arrow twice. In this player spins a arrow twice. The fraction a by b is formed where a is the number of sector on which the arrow stops. On the first spin and b is the number of sector in which the arrow stops on second spin. On each spin, each sector has equal chance of selection by an arrow. Find the probability of getting a by b less than 1. How to find it? Here. A by b is less than 1 is nothing but a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the total outcome is 15. Then next problem, this one. Then consecutive days, just leave this. Yes, they are all similar problems. This about your probability. Probability, if you know this, you can easily answer it. Probability of an event is given by this formula and this formula. Yes, student, probability is done. Anything is there, students? Then let's move for the static students. Come on, let's move. Yes, students, probability is done. Come on, let's move for the statistics. Yes. In stats, let's discuss stats in one shot. Okay. Come on, let's start with these or the learning outcomes. Students, statistics is nothing but mean, median, mode. If you know this and empirical formula, then you can easily answer it. So easy topic, students. Don't think too much. Okay. Okay, mean, median, mode. Come on, let's start with mode. Sorry. First mean. How to find mean? Students, we are already familiar with the concept called statistics in class 9 everywhere. For example, in school, number of teacher 50, 30, then 4,000 is there, then year percentage 78. For this, statistics is very, very important. What is mean? How to find out mean? Very simple, students. Mean is very simple. Sum of all the observation to the total number of observation. For example, solve to find a mean, we have a formula. This is a formula. For this, we need to build or we need to construct one table called xi. They only give observation and frequency. We need to multiply these two and add all these values and divide it by n. N is nothing but sum of all frequencies. Then do this, then you got the mean value. Come on, let's solve one question here. What is the mean of the data? What is the mean? Here how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 is there. Add all this value and divided by 10. Then you got the answer. Here we have an 40, 50, 47.4, 57.4. What is the correct answer? Let us know, students. Let us know, everybody. Everybody, let us know. Yes, students, what is the correct answer? Everybody? The correct answer is option B, S. See, in this also, the mean of 10 number is 55. They give 55. Their mean value they give. If one number is included, their mean becomes 60. If you add one number, then its mean becomes 60. Find the include number. Very simple. What is the answer? 110. It's nothing but mean. It's nothing but totally 10 numbers. Okay, simply 10 number is there. Just imagine. Then one number. If you add one number, it becomes 60. 60 divided by 60 is nothing but 560 divided by, okay, 560 not. If we want mean 60 into 2 into 10, or is nothing but that's one. If you do 660 is coming, then 50 is nothing but 550. We need to subtract this one, then we got the answer. Very simple. Then next students, next mean of group out frequency distribution and undergrowth discrete method. Here we have mainly three methods. Mean by direct method, assumer, step deviation. Step deviation method is remote. Only concentrate on these two methods. Very easy. Let's start with first one. Here this is a mean, right, students? We can easily make it into proper column. This is marks the number of this is becomes xi, right? This is xi. Then classes, this is classes of frequency, xi, then class interval and frequency. First, how to solve this method, how to solve this problem? Very simple. First we need to prepare the frequency table and find the sum of all frequency. Then this is n value 20. Then next method, then find the xi. Xi is nothing but mid value of each class interval, midpoint of the mid value of each class interval. Then xi fi is then multiply xi fi. 3 5 is 15, 9 4 is 36, 15, 21 6 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Yes. 24 7 is 28, 2 4 2 is 8, 10, 108. Then add all these values. Then you got the final answer. Mean is equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of xi. You got the answer. Let's look here. This or the conclusion or the continuous form. If it's in inclusive form, if it's not in continuous, what we do? Very simple. If it's not continuous, first we need to subtract 0.5 for first number and add 0.5 to second number. Then it becomes continuous. Very simple, students. Subtract 0.5 for lower limit and 0.5. Add 0.5 for upper limit. Then you got the xi value. Okay. Then these are the fi is there. Then xi. Xi, how to find out xi? Add these two and divided by 2. Then you got the midpoint value. Then add all this value. Fi, xi. Then you got the answer. Final answer is done. Okay. So come on, let's solve here. First problem, student. Find the mean of the following data. They give xi, fi. Multiply xi into fi. 4 into 27. 4 sevens are 27. 4 what is the value, students? For statistics, you need very, very important. What you need this? You already know the problem, everything, but mainly you do mistake in multiplication. You need next level knowledge for this multiplication and the other things. Check one, student, solve step by step. It's never got wrong. Okay, solve step by step, then you never got wrong. Okay, xi fi, 4 into 27 is nothing but 4 sevens are 7 fours are 28, 8. 4 2s are 8, 108. It become 108. Then do same things, 108, 448. Add all this number and divided by this number, then you got the mean value. Very simple. Same. Everything is same. Here the question is we need to find out the p value. Very important question. Okay. How to find out? They already give this value. We already know x mean value. They give mean 53 is equal to this value. Then multiply this to 23 and this one. Then find out the p value. Missing frequency. Very easy. Then here one question is there. The table below shows the daily expenditure. Don't worry, students. They only give the table and everything. On food. Oh my god, what happened? Okay, here there. Yes. Food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure. They give already number of find xi fi. How to find out? Summation of fi is 25, right? Then xi fi. 4 5s are 25. Then do this. Then by using 211. Totally the required mean daily expenditure is 211. Then move on to the second method. It is called assumed mean method. Very simple, and it is also called shortcut method and very easy method. How to find it? For this, we need to introduce another column, student. Only xi fi is there. Now here we need to introduce di column. The formula this one. A is nothing but assumed mean. What is assumed? For example, what happened? Sometime the cricket matches happen. What we assume? Oh my god, today India is won the match. It is called assumed, right? Similarly, we assume some mean. For example, this is a problem. Same, built an fi column, frequency table, then find the summation of fi value. This is a summation of fi, right? Then xi value, then find the xi value. Xi is also done. Here, just imagine assumed mean is 47.5. Then just assumed mean is 47.5. Then find the di value. Okay, di value is done. Then multiply fi into di. In this case, in before we multiply fi xi na. Similarly multiply this. Then substitute for the formula. Mean xi a value is 47.5. 1 by n is nothing but frequency value. It is called n, right? 1 by 30. 1 by 30. Summation of fi 1 by 30 into 435. 435 by 1 by 30. If you do that, you got the mean. It is easy method. It is also called what we call, students. Which method? Assumed mean method. Okay, here what they ask, find the mean height of 50 children from the following data using assumed mean method. First, build the column. Then number of children here 15 5 50. Here then choose 5 is an assumed mean. Here midterm is there. Now always midterm is mean, sir. Yes, sir. Then assumed mean. Then if you do di, then xi di, then you got like this. Then substitute for the formula. Then you got 90.4 centimeter. Okay. Then second question, this is done. Then step deviation method is not there in our syllabus, but also let's learn, students. In this method, what we need to first the same method, then xi value, fi value, di value. Find di a. Choose a and di. Then you need to find out another ui. Step deviation method. Another ui is equal to xi. Here xi minus 50 is nothing but di by 20. Di by classes. Di by 20, di by 40, di by this thing. Okay. Then do this, then you got the answer. Then FIUI, multiply these two numbers and by apply the formula. But it is not there in your syllabus, just leave this. It's not important. Mean done. Then more the median. What is median? Median is that value of the given number of observation which divide exactly into two parts after arranging in either ascending or descending order. If you arrange all values either in ascending, either in increasing order or decreasing order, median is nothing but it exactly split the term. Here we need to remember 2 points. If when number of n is odd, it's completely depends, student. If odd or even, it's completely depend. If it's odd, then median value become n plus 1th observation. If it's even, this value. Come on, let's solve here. Here there. Ungrouped data, grouped is there. We already know how to find out. Frequency. For finding median, first we need to introduce another one, cumulative frequency. How to find it? Cumulative frequency, simply add these numbers. Then you got cumulative frequency. Then find the summation of fi value, some n value. Here what is n value? By using this you can solve that. Okay, cumulative frequency is done now. Then step 2, apply the formula. Here n is even for even value, this is median, then the answer is 5. Solve this. Here if you find, but it is not a final answer. Here it is an value of 120 by 20 is nothing but 60. Right, value of 68 and 61st value observation. Here both 60 and 61, a where is there? 60 and 61, where is there, students? Yes, approximately is there in 20, right? 20 is there. Observation in the community 65, and its corresponding value is xi is equal to 5. 65 is there. This is an answer. This is a median. Okay, done. Then same question, students. Solve this. Come on here. Come on. Let's solve one problem here. 1 second, students. Yes, next move to calculate the median here. We need to find out the median from the following distribution. This is a distribution. First, we need to find out the cumulative frequency here. N is odd. N is odd is nothing but N is odd. Then the summation of Ni, this one. Then how to find out median formula? Median is equal to L. Corresponding L value is 15. Then this one, you upload this, you get the answer. Very simple. Same method. Then mode the last one, mode, students. What is mode? Mode is the value of the observation which occurs most frequently. For example, how to find out mode? Here L, lower limit of the model class, size of the class interval F1, F2, these values. Then find here, come on, let's solve it. Here, student, what is F0 value? This is F0, F1, F2. Okay. Yes. F0, L is equal to 20, lower limit, then H is equal to 20 only. Then F0 value 35, F1 value 315, F2 value 120. These are the corresponding value, L value 20, upload this, then you got the answer. Very easy, mode is very easy. Then mode, the very important step, empirical formulae. Empirical formula, this is an empirical formula. Mode is given by 3 median minus 2 mean. Median is given by mode plus 2 by 3, this one. Very important, 3 marks, definitely they ask in your exam. Come on, if the ratio of mean and median, okay, 1 second, students. Oh, almost is done. After this, we can done. 1 second, I am back in 2 minutes. Wait, students. Yes, students, solved. Come on, let's solve it. Data 2:3 ratio, they give that. What they give 2k, 3k. Then we already know 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. From using this, we can told that mean mode ratio is this one. Then next one, if empirical relations between mean, median, mode is expressed in this one. What they expressed mean is equal to k into 3 median minus mode. Then find the value of k. We need to find it. We already know mean minus mode is equal to this one. If 2 mean is equal to 3 median 1 mode, or mean is equal to this one. Comparing with k value is equal to 1 by 2. Clear, students? Very easy. Then come on, let's quickly summarize everything. Mean and n of observation, this one and everything is this one. Any doubt is there, let us know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video till end, students. Anything is there? Yes, you have 1 minute time. Then come on, let's ask. I come to now. I watch the live. Anything, everyone? Okay, students.